Hello guys, this is Tindakam. Welcome to Learning Ladder of C language. In this tutorial, we are gonna see about a union in C language. Union is similar to the structures. It is used to store different data types in a single unit. So, directly let's move into the implementation part of a union. To implement an union in C language, you have to use a union keyword followed by the name of the union. Let's take a name. And square braces, inside square braces we are going to declare the data types that we are going to store. Yes, it is seems to be similar to the structure, but it has a difference between the structure and the union. This difference will be discussed in the later tutorial. First, let me see that part, how to use a union in the C programming language. Here we have to declare a reference variable. Let's take and say. So accessing of this union is similar to the structure. So just print the data that stores in the union by using a printf statement. Okay. Similarly, by using reference variable, we can call the data that stores in the union. So let's compile this program. You're not gonna get any error. We're getting output. To understand how this union is work, you people have to watch the structures videos. If you are not, then go back to the previous tutorial videos. There you can identify these structures basics. So if you have a view of structure basics, then it is a simple one to understand. Similar to the structures, the initialization of data types that are presented in a union can be done through this reference variable in three methodology. One is directly in the union end by using a reference variable like equals to square braces. Inside square braces we are gonna type the data. So there is one type of initialization. Then compile this program, we are getting an output. The other one is direct initialization, that way done it before. Yeah, now let's see the other type of initialization of a variable and the data. Yeah, we can use union and followed by the name, the union name and the reference variable. So like this we can declare a reference variable in a separate line, not in the union structure itself. Compile this program. We are compiling, we are getting an output. Similarly, the instances can be done through this reference variable too. So here I gonna initialize the data. Compile this program. Yeah, we're getting an output. So yeah, and other methodologies that exist to initialize this variable, data that present in the union like this, by declaring a variable before and initializing the data after declaring a variable in the main program. Let's compile this program, we are getting output. These are the methodology that we can follow in the C programming language to initialize the data to a variable present in the union structure. Okay, so this is the basics of a union. Now let's see in deep about the union structures. Now let's see, is it possible to declare an variable as an array? And do it. To simplify that, I'm gonna initialize this I directly in the program itself. Okay. Sorry. Okay, let's compile this program. We're getting an output. So array of variables in a union also is possible, similar to the structure concept. If suppose we are using an array types, then we can initialize in each and every, we can initialize a different data to then I variable that presented in a union by using the reference variable of a union like this. Set of 0, inside this we can initialize 10, set of 1. Here we can initialize another value like 20. Like this we can initialize. If suppose we are using array of reference variables for the union. So let's compile this program. We're getting 10 in the output. Suppose I'm trying to access this data by using this index 1 reference variable, then we are gonna get 20 as an output. Yeah, we are getting 20 as an output. So thank you. That's the basics of an union. In the next tutorial, let me see how we can pass an union to n functions. What are the methodology that can we follow to pass a union to a function? And the later tutorial, we will see what is the difference between the structure and the union. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get alert for the next tutorial.